Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to disable or turn off send photo or video prompt in Messenger chat or Messenger automatically send photo problem solve. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Messenger app. Click on 3-line or horizontal line. Click on setting icon. Scroll down. Tap on photo and media. Turn off save on capture. Then turn off capture option. Go back. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Click on apps permission. Turn off file and media option. And camera permission. Then turn off camera permission. Step 4. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Go to search. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Again open your Messenger app. You can follow all of the steps to fix, disable or turn off send photo prompt in Messenger chat or disable send photo or video chat in Messenger. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.